The race was difficult. We make big battles with Rossi. I enjoy a lot, and Rossi is very fast, but I get a penalty, so I finish first, and I'm very happy. I want to be first, but I'm second, and I'm also very happy. Here I enjoy a lot. I make big battles. In French championships, I don't make battles, but here, yes. And the Northern Talent Cup is amazing.
In the start, I have a goal to be on the top 5, and this is completed, so I'm very happy about this. And in the first round, Le Mans, I can't imagine this. So I win. I'm on the podium, and other good things. But I wanna say thank you to everyone who helped me, my sponsors, and to my mechanics for the bike. This is very good bike, and for my father, for my sponsors, and everyone who helped me. And see you next time in the next year, maybe. Yes, I'm fighting with the best riders, and I feel I'm a top 5 rider now, and next year I'm going to win the championship. So that's all.
Yeah, this year was really unlucky because I did a lot of zeros, but anyway, I did some podiums with some podium with a victory, and this race was lucky because I finished fourth, but he got penalty Rossi Moore. I'm really sad for him, but let's keep this third podium, this third position in the podium, and finish this year completely in sixth position. Thanks everybody. Yeah, I thought we didn't get all this battle like the last Red Bull Ring, and only when somebody passed me in the breaking point was a really difficult because did like zigzag, left and right, and was really good. But in the last lap I was 8th, and then I passed everybody, trying to catch Kevin Farkas, and thanks everybody.